When you are running an e-commerce brand, email marketing is not just about sending newsletters. It is about building relationships that turn into repeat purchases. The right platform can help you automate campaigns, segment customers, and increase revenue with every message. Two of the biggest names in this space are Mailchimp and Klaviyo. Mailchimp has been around for years and is often the first email tool that many small businesses start with. It is known for its approachable design, simple campaign builder, and all-in-one marketing features. For e-commerce owners, Mailchimp offers a reliable foundation: email campaigns, sign-up forms, landing pages, and even basic automation, all in one platform. One of Mailchimp's biggest strengths is ease of use. The drag-and-drop editor makes creating professional-looking emails fast, even for non-designers. You can start with templates, customize branding, and launch a campaign in minutes. It also integrates with most major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, so syncing your customer data and purchase history is seamless. Mailchimp also includes built-in analytics that track open rates, click rates, and sales attribution. It helps you understand what drives engagement and conversions without needing advanced technical skills. And with additional tools for social posts, ads, and surveys, it functions as a mini marketing hub. Now let's talk about Klaviyo. Klaviyo integrates directly with your e-commerce platform at a deeper level. It pulls in detailed customer data, everything from browsing behavior to order history to predicted next purchase date. That means you can create highly personalized campaigns, like sending different product recommendations to first-time buyers versus loyal customers, or re-engaging those who have not shopped in a while. The real magic of Klaviyo lies in its automation flows. You can set up complex behavior-based triggers without writing code. For example, if someone abandons their cart, browses a specific product category, or reaches a spending threshold, Klaviyo can automatically send the right message at the right time. Those micro-targeted messages are what drive measurable revenue lift. Another standout feature is segmentation. Klaviyo lets you build dynamic segments based on detailed conditions, like customers who bought in the past 60 days, opened 3 or more campaigns, and spent over a certain amount. Those lists update in real time, helping you send messages that stay relevant as behavior changes. Klaviyo, on the other hand, is a specialist. It is built purely for e-commerce growth. It connects your marketing with real-time store data and helps you automate at scale, using behavior-driven insights to drive more conversions. Both tools can grow your e-commerce business. Mailchimp gets you started. Klaviyo helps you scale. The best platform depends on where you are in your journey and how much you are ready to let data drive your marketing strategy.